In the last video, I mentioned that Xrumer is not able to find my correct number of proxies. So I downloaded the proxy list in SOX format. Then I clicked on refresh proxy update. And here you will say 1000, right? That 1000 is exactly the number of proxies that I have put into Xrumer. My list has about 16,553 websites, and the successful ones are more than 6K. That's roughly about 1/3, but not nearly 1/3. But I'm quite happy with the result. I am going to use HTTP proxy this time with the same project setting. I will run it and I will let you know how many successful links it can create. All these links are auto-approved blog comments. I am running 100 threads. You can see in the status, page too large. Well, this is because you have the options and success rate, and here you're not able to change it to any bigger number. Like say if you have 1,000, then you try to save it. Then you will see a pop-up message. It's just funny that Xrumer is a spam machine and they limit the number of links to 650, and that's quite funny. Anyway, so reCAPTCHA, they are working. Bad proxy, these. I think that HTTP proxy is not working because it has been running for more than 900, now nearly 1,000 websites, and there is no successful ones. So there must be an error with my HTTP proxy. I'm going to stop that. I have just made sure that there are proxies inside my HTTP proxies. Now I need to make sure the location is correct. Here, this section controls all the proxies. I'm going to click that. This text file and this text file, they are all inside the Xrumer program folder. I must click this do not post without proxy because I have mentioned if I don't click this one, the VPS hosting provider is going to show up and give problems. Save. I'm going to click on proxy update. It's very strange because I don't have this because I have about 600. Now it is giving a strange number 267. Anyway, I'm going to resume from last position. Which means that it is going to run from the last. This means the line number of my list. You can see that obviously it is working now using proxy. Page too large. Using proxy. Okay, I'm going to stop and I will go back to the first one. I'll have a test. Basically, this is the second test, just to show, just to find out whether sockets proxy have a larger success rate or HTTP proxy have a larger success rate. Although I have 1000 here and 600, only 600 in HTTP proxy. I'm going to wait until the active threads to finish. Start. I don't think I need to wait for them to finish. So now they're running. Page too large. Recapture working. Using proxy. So what kind of ratio is that? 200 to 10. That's not very big, right? Like only 10%. 300, no, 26. Anyway, I'm going to let it to run. Now the running of Xrumer with HTTP proxy has completed. I only got 3,299 successful. That's only like half of the successful. I got more than 6. I think I got double this number using sockets proxy. So proxies are really important when you run a campaign in Xrumer. So that's a conclusion for today's video running Xrumer.